How to delete your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your WhatsApp chat backup from your Google Drive storage on your Android device. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Storage to open your Drive storage details. At this point, tap on Cleanup Space to open the storage cleanup screen. In the next step, scroll down and look for WhatsApp from the list of apps taking up storage. Following this, tap on WhatsApp to expand its backup details and let it fully load. Once done, you'll see your phone number listed along with a Delete Backup button right below it. From here, tap on Delete Backup to begin the deletion process. At this stage, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the backup. Finally, tap Delete to confirm and your WhatsApp chat backup will be permanently removed from your Google Drive storage. Keep in mind that once deleted, your WhatsApp backup cannot be recovered, so make sure you no longer need it before confirming the deletion. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you delete your Google Drive backup, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.